Why do 90% of YouTube creators fail? They lack a solid strategy. Let's fix that. First things first, define your niche. This is the foundation of your channel. Are you all about tech reviews or maybe cooking tutorials? Find what you're passionate about, whatever it is, stick to it. Consistency in your niche builds a loyal audience. Next, know your audience. Who are they? What do they love? Understanding your viewers is crucial. Create content that speaks to them. Tailor your videos to their interests and needs. Now plan your content calendar. Consistency is key. A well-planned schedule keeps your audience engaged. Aim for at least one video a week. Regular uploads keep your channel active and growing. Don't forget about SEO. Search engine optimization helps your videos get discovered. Use keywords in your titles, descriptions, and tags. This improves your video's visibility. This will help people find your videos. The right keywords can make a huge difference. Dive deep into keyword research. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner, Ahrefs, or TubeBuddy to find high-traffic, low-competition keywords. Incorporate these keywords naturally into your content. This will boost your search rankings and attract more viewers. Engage with your audience. Interaction builds a community around your channel. Reply to comments, ask for feedback, and create community posts. Show your viewers you care. This builds loyalty and boosts your channel's growth. A loyal audience is your biggest asset. Analyze and adapt. Check your analytics regularly. Data-driven decisions lead to better content. See what works and what doesn't. Use this information to improve your future videos. Tweak your strategy accordingly. Flexibility and adaptation are key to long-term success. Lastly, have fun. Passion is contagious. Your enthusiasm will resonate with your audience. If you love what you do, your audience will too. Enjoy the process and let it show in your videos. Remember, a solid content strategy is your roadmap to YouTube success. It guides your efforts and keeps you focused. Start today and watch your channel soar. With dedication and the right strategy, success is within your reach.